Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an unboxing and first impression video for you, and this is my favorite house from Middle East, or at least one of them. And this is the house of Al Haramain. The reason I was saying house because they make everything from the scratch themselves, so they are a true house instead of being just a brand. And today I have an unboxing of the newest release from Al Haramain, and this is Al Haramain Oud Adam. This is 75 ml EDP, and this is one of those top of the range line. So this is not basically cheapy one, alright. And the Al Haramain kindly sent me this perfume for review. Everything you hear, everything you see, is my own opinion. They don't have anything in terms of input into this video. Okay, so as you can see, it's quite a big box. It's some sort of cardboard or plastic box. As usual, Al Haramain attention to detail is everywhere. It's very well thought, well executed. On Al Haramain website, the global website, this is going around 350 dirham, which more or less it would be equivalent to £75 or about $85 or $90. Okay, but the exact price I'll just leave them in the description. If you are interested to go and check them out, the links will be there. Okay, so let's go and unbox this beauty. So sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do much about the noise. Okay, very cute. Look at that, beautiful. And yeah, it is some sort of thick plastic. And it opens. So how do you open? So you take this bit off and then it opens like this, and it's magnetic. Wow. Okay, so the box is a very well made box and is magnetic. When you open it and you will put it back, it will close itself. Very well thought after. And it says Al Haramain 50 years anniversary, and this is Al Haramain Oud Adam. Okay, so this is one of those high-end oud perfume, 75 ml. As I said, the price may be different in different regions. In the UK probably about £75, in America probably about £90 to £100. The cap is very heavy wooden cap. Is attention to detail everywhere, Al Haramain says here. And as you can see, the bottle is like a mirror effect, and also it's metal on top with a plastic. And everywhere it says Al Haramain Oud Adam, and it's shaped like pebble or something like that. And the atomizer is platinum as well. And let's go with the atomizer. Very good atomizer. Al Haramain always makes good atomizers. And the cap is magnetic as well. Okay, so far so good in terms of presentation, top notch. In terms of bottle, top notch. In terms of sprayer, very good. And who's filling the room? Very strong. Whoa, strong. Okay, first sniff, first impression for Al Haramain Oud Adam. Ooh, oudi, oudi, oudi. Yeah, as he says, Oud Adam, there is a big present of oud. And the oud in this is leathery medicinal, okay? So it's medicinal, leathery, spicy, woody. This minimum of sweetness right now, so I don't know if it stays like this. So this is first impression, first sniff. But right now, it's all about oud. There's no sweetness. There's no floral aspect. There's no fruity aspect. Yeah, it's spice. For first thing first is that the oud will hit you in the face. It's not animalic, but it is, you know, leaning a little bit towards real leather, and that's why it gives it a tiny bit of animalicness. But it's not animalic in terms of very, very strong animalic or barnyardy or anything like that. Yeah, so oud first, big oud, and then spice, and then woody, and little bit right now, little bit earthiness, and also a little bit of green, earthy type of note as well. Yeah, it's like a patchouli, but the patchouli in here is it's not one of those bright patchouli. It's quite dense and thick. Overall, it's quite a resinous. Wow, but whew, what a quality, gorgeous. Smells very natural to me. So they're using a very good ingredients in here. Almost no sweetness, almost, and also there's nothing there to give it a little bit of softness. So there's no floral right now. There's no fruitiness. There's no citruses. It's basically bang, and it's coming with the oud plus the little bit of spice in there. Wow, but it's quite as it says, Adam. This is obviously it's unisex. It's not targeted towards any sex, but right now, in the first impression, first sniff is quite manly. It's actually it's very manly. Okay. Yeah, it's oud with leather. There's no leather note in here, or I don't think it is. Or but the oud and combination of the oud and the patchouli and the spice, it gives in a leather feel to it. Okay, it's like a real leather feel. It's a real jacket, leather jacket. Okay, and it's quite dark as well. But wow, it's very smooth. It's very well balanced. Although there's no sweetness in here at the moment, or there's no fruitiness, there's no floral aspect to give it a little bit of softness. But because the blend is quite well done, it doesn't give it too much ruggedness. Okay, but it is quite medicinal as well. So you can feel that medicinal aspect of it, which is like an old medicinal shop. You know those apothecary they call it. Or they're one of those old ones. So it gives that feel as well. It's like an old place, old medicinal place, traditional medicinal place. But for first sniff, in terms of quality, in terms of smell, if you like oud, this is a very good oud, especially for the price, because you're getting a natural oud. And the oud in here, to my nose, is like a Cambodian oud, so it's quite earthy and animalic, little bit, not too much. It's not like an Indian oud. Indian oud is very animalic. So this one is Cambodian, I think, and that's why it's giving it that feel of woody, spicy, medicinal, leathery feel, plus woody feel, plus medicinal, and also little of earthiness, resinous feel, plus that quiet balsamic oud. Okay guys, so that was first impression for Al Haramain Oud Adam. I'll give you in the next video the development, the longevity, and good things like that. Thank you very much as always for joining me. If you like what I do, if you like my video, if you find them useful, if you find them informative, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button for the future uploads, and share it with others. This way you help me to expand my channel, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.